How to deposit money in Phantom wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can receive money in Phantom wallet from another wallet or exchange. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to launch Phantom wallet application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home screen, tap on the receive button. Once you tap on receive, you have to select the network for the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. That can be Solana, that can be Ethereum, Polygon, Base, or many more from there. So select one from your choice. Once you select your network, then you have to copy this wallet address, or you can use this QR code. Now once you have copied your address, or if you have the QR code on your sending device or on the other wallet or exchange that is about to send funds to your Phantom wallet, there you have to initiate a withdrawal. Once you initiate a withdrawal, all you have to do is paste the Phantom wallet address that you have copied recently, or simply you can use the QR displayed there. There you have to make sure that the network matches the one selected in the Phantom, and then enter the amount and confirm the transaction. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.